Good morning, class. Today we are starting with chapter number 2, that is acid, base and salts. We discuss about the very first one, physical properties of acids and base, and then we are moving on the indicators, that is your pre-midterm syllabus. Children, हमने ये चैप्टर में जो एसिड बेस है वो ऑलरेडी वी हैव लर्न इन 7th क्लास. 7th क्लास में हमने एसिड के बारे में पढ़ा था. एसिड्स दे आर सॉर इन टेस्ट, वो खट्टे होते हैं. देन वी हैव लर्न अबाउट दैट दे आर व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट दे आर वेरी कोरोसिव इन नेचर. ठीक है, but some of the acids which we are taking also, which we are there present in our body also, just like hydrochloric acid is there present in our stomach. Whatever the lemon is there containing, when we'll talked about, it is a citric food, वो खट्टा फ्रूट है, वो तो citrus acid it contain. Then Chinese food आप बहुत खाते हो, Chinese food में vinegar जिसे सरका बोला जाता है. So these all are which we are getting from plants and animals. So we learn more about in brief about acid and base, and then we'll moving to indicators. So let us see that what is the physical property of acid which we have not learned in 7th standard. Children, you just see here that acids, they are sour in taste, already we have discussed. They turn blue litmus. Litmus is the one natural indicator which is there obtained from lichens, that we'll discuss about in the next particular lecture. It gives no change on the red litmus paper. Then all the acids, they are soluble, or we can say they're dissolved in water, and they release H+. H+ is pronounced as hydrogen or hydronium ion. And when we talked about classification of acids, they are classified as based on the sources and based on the solubility in water. Now based on the sources, it is just classified as organic acid, children. Now when we talked about organic acids are those acids which are obtaining from plants and animals. So let us discuss about the organic acid in brief, children. So children, you can see here vinegar. Vinegar is naturally known as sarka, or acetic acid is the chemical name of it. Sour milk, curd is containing lactic acid. Oranges, lemons, they contain citric acid because they are the citrus fruits. Then tamarind, imli जो होती है, it contain tartaric acid. And sting, bee sting, they contain formic acid or methanoic acid. Apple contain malic acid, and tomato contain oxalic acid. So these are known as organic acid because they are obtaining from we can say that nature, that is from plants and animals. So this is very important. Sources can be asked, or might be acid can be asked in the exams, children. Now let us discuss about the inorganic or mineral acid, children. Organic acids or mineral acids, they are naturally we can say that obtained from minerals. So they are going to be there prepared in the laboratories. We can say that hydrochloric acid है, HNO3 है, sulfuric acid है, ये सारे mineral acids है. And based on solubility, that means based on the solubility, that means whenever we are dissolving them into water, how they are classified? They are classified as strong acid. Now what is strong acid, children? Strong acid release more hydrogen ion, and they allow the passage of electricity. Strong acids are highly conductive in nature. They allow the passage of electricity. That is sulfuric acid, you can see here, that is H2SO4, then HNO3, and then hydrochloric acid. Weak acid, the definition of weak acid, we can say that when we are dissolving them into water, they release less number of hydrogen ion, and that is acetic acid, carbonic acid, oxalic acid. All the organic acids are known as weak acid because whenever we are dissolving them into water, they produce less hydrogen ion. So that is all about acid. Now let us discuss about the base, children. So you can just quick look on the acids. Acid property of acid में हमने पढ़ा है, they are sour in taste, they turn blue litmus into red, they give no change on the red litmus paper. All the acids are dissolved, or we can say that soluble in water, and they release H+ ion. Now acids are classified as two, based on source and based on solubility. Based on source, they are classified as organic acid and inorganic acid, and based on the solubility, they are classified as strong acid and weak acid. Now we just discuss about the bases, children. Bases, they are bitter in taste. Soap है जो हम कपड़े धोते हैं वो base है. Okay, all the bases are soapy in touch. They turn red litmus to blue. That means they are not giving any effect on blue litmus paper, children. All the bases, they are not dissolved in water, and the bases which are dissolved in or soluble in water, they are known as alkali. Okay, ये chapter number 1 में, 2 में, 3 में भी आएगा alkali. What is alkali? So we can say that alkalis are those bases which are soluble in water, that is sodium hydroxide, that is soda ash, and potassium hydroxide. So that is about the bases. Bases are also classified as strong base and weak base. Now whenever they are dissolved in water, that means whenever these both are dissolved in water, they release hydroxide OH minus ion. We can say that they are releasing hydroxide ion, children. So based on that, they are also classified as strong base and weak base. Okay, strong base, that means they gives more OH minus ion whenever they are dissolving in water, and they are giving लेस OH माइनस आयन. स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस में ये दोनों लिख सकते हैं. वीक बेस में कौन से लिख सकते हैं? वी आर जस्ट राइटिंग NH4OH ammonium hydroxide. We can write that CaOH twice. These are known as weak base. So that is all about acid and base, that what we have learned. We are just starting with a new topic, that is indicator, in the next particular class. Thank you and have a nice day, children.